You know what gets me excited every single morning? No, it's not just my alarm clock. It's that first sip of cutting chai from my favorite tea stall. And on special days, a strong filter coffee from that little cafe in Bengaluru. That aroma of ginger and cardamom mixing with fresh coffee bean. It's pure magic. If you are from other countries like Australia or the United States, you might find it discomforting to hear this combination. But here is a fun fact: coffee with ginger is considered to speed up the metabolism and stimulate fat burning. And that, my friends, is exactly what we are mastering today: the complete English vocabulary for your daily coffee shop routine. Whether you are in Mumbai's bustling Bandra, or Delhi's cozy Hauskas, or Chennai's traditional coffee houses, this video will transform how you order, chat, and connect in flawless English. Imagine this: you push open the door of your neighborhood cafe in Pune. What is the first thing that hits you? The smell, that incredible blend of freshly ground coffee beans, and maybe some baking cookies from the nearby bakery. It's like a warm hug for your senses. And the sounds, oh, the sounds are a symphony. The espresso machine goes whoosh like a pressure cooker releasing steam. The milk frother hisses softly. You hear the clink of ceramic cups, the gentle chatter of college students from nearby IIT or NIT campuses, and that soft Bollywood acoustic playlist in the background. This isn't just a coffee shop, my friends. This is your English training ground. Now, meeting the barista. You walk up to the counter, that friendly person behind the machine. You call them a barista. It's an Italian word, but used worldwide. In India, they might be Ramesh from Kerala or Priya from Kolkata, but their smile is universal. They will greet you. Hi, what can I get for you today? Now here is where most English learners freeze. They blurt out, I want coffee. Stop. That's too direct, too aggressive. In English speaking cultures, we wrap our requests in politeness like we wrap our samosas in chutney. It's all about the flavor. So, what do they say instead? Two magic phrases. Phrase number one: I would like, this is your golden ticket. I would like a coffee, please. It's respectful, it's professional, it's perfect. Or phrase number two: can I have? This is friendly and casual. You say, can I have a coffee, please? Both work beautifully. But wait, coffee is too simple. The menu is a universe. Let's decode it. Now let's start with the first coffee, the espresso. It's strong, concentrated shot, like our desi espresso, the cutting chai. Next is Americano. It's an espresso with hot water, strong and no milk. It is for the purists. Next is Latte. It is coffee with lots of hot milk, smooth, milky and comforting. Next is Cappuccino. It's equal parts espresso, steamed milk and foam. It is a frothy perfection. Next is filter coffee, our South Indian pride. It's a strong decoction with milk and sugar. Here the concentrated coffee liquid is made by slowing dripping. Now next is filter coffee. This is our South Indian pride. It's a strong decoction with milk and sugar. Here the concentrated coffee liquid is made by slowly dripping of hot water through finely ground coffee in a special filter. Now size and customization. Now sizes, most places use small, medium and large, but some Fancy cafes use Italian, tall, grand, venti. Don't worry if you say medium. Every barista from Mumbai to Manhattan will understand you. Here is where it gets exciting, the customization. This is where your personality shines through. The milk options. Can I have a latte with skimmed milk, please? Or soy milk? Or the trendy full cream milk? In India, you can even ask for buffalo milk if they have it. Now, the sweetness. Can I have extra sugar? Or vanilla syrup? Or jaggery if you are in a health conscious cafe? The full order practice. Let me show you a complete order in action. I will be you and you watch how smooth this flows. Let's say I approach the counter. I'm the barista. Hi there, how are you doing? I go, I'm doing well, thanks. Can I have a medium Americano, please? The barista goes, sure. Would you like room for milk? Now, room for milk means empty space to add cold milk later. If you want it black, you can say, no room please, I like it black. The barista goes, anything else? A muffin? A croissant? I say, ooh, a croissant sounds perfect. One butter croissant please. The barista goes, great. Is that for here or to go? Now this is crucial. For here means you're sitting in the cafe getting a ceramic cup. To go means you're taking it in a paper cup with a lid. In our fast-paced Indian cities or around the world, most of us say to go or take away. So I go, to go please. I'm heading to a meeting soon. The barista says, okay, that'll be 250 rupees please. I go, here you go. The barista says, thank you. We'll call your name when it's ready. It's smooth, confident and natural. The name game and finding seats. Now, here's the universal coffee shop comedy. They ask for your name and they always spell it wrong. My name is Shaz. S-H-A-Z. It's simple, right? I have seen Shaz, Shaj, Shah. It's hilarious, but it's part of the charm. Don't get offended. Just laugh along. If you are waiting for a friend, you need to find a seat. In crowded Mumbai cafes, you might see one empty chair. What do you say to the person next to it? Excuse me, is this seat taken? It's perfect, it's polite, clear, effective. If they say no, go ahead, you are golden. Before we wrap, let's review our power phrases. I would like a coffee, please. Can I have a coffee, please? For here or to go? Is this seat taken? Let's grab a coffee. The coffee shop classroom. Here is my secret. The coffee shop is my favorite English classroom. Why? Because you hear real English, not textbook English. You hear how people actually talk, their rhythm, their slang, their emotions. My challenge for you, go to your nearest cafe in Hyderabad or Jaipur or wherever you are. Buy one coffee, sit for half an hour, just listen. You will learn more than any app can teach you. Our time is almost up, but your English journey is just brewing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful caffeinated day. And remember, every conversation is a chance to master English. Bye for now.